Hi there. Here we have a writing at level C2. Here's the question. You attended a lecture at a local business centre where the advantages of working from home were discussed. You have made the notes below. How can working from home be beneficial? Effects on traffic. Less office space required. Happier employees. Some opinions expressed during the lecture. People working alone at home go crazy. Face-to-face meetings are crucial. Will everybody have this privilege? You write an essay discussing two of the benefits in your notes. You should explain which benefit would be most important, giving reasons in support of your answer. You may, if you wish, make use of the opinions expressed in the lecture, but you should use your own words as far as possible. Working from home, or the way people work in the 21st century. I like the title again. The title's good. In the 21st century, people suffered a terrible loss because of the coronavirus pandemic. I'm looking at the tense of this suffered. It's okay. People suffered. But this looks like you're talking from the point of view of the 21st century, 22nd century. I think it probably reads better. People have, capitals. People have suffered a terrible loss because of the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, you're very fond of this because of, and here it's fine, but we're going to change it further down. This horrible disaster has had a huge impact on our working style as well. Okay, good. Horrible disaster. Huge impact. That's good use of adjectives. It is obvious that, just like anything else, besides the great deal of negative effects, our home office has also had some beneficial contribution to our lives. Okay, a great deal of negative effects. I'm looking at this phrase, a great deal. I think it's more common to use a great deal with uncountables. Here, I think maybe a great number. Besides the great number of negative effects, and then I might swap that for numerous. Besides the numerous negative effects, besides the great number of negative effects, home office also has some beneficial contribution to our lives. Okay, it's not wrong. It doesn't read so well though. I would probably say so. Home office has made some beneficial contributions to our lives. The objective of this essay is to highlight the positive effects of working from home. Okay, that's good. So, one of the most important... So, you already used positive effects. Let's change this. One of the most important upsides of working from home is in connection with our environment. These days, it is common knowledge that humanity is headed for extinction because of, so, you used it earlier, due to the tremendous pollution of the environment. Okay, due to the tremendous pollution of the environment. Yeah. However, working from home influenced this process in an especially positive way. Okay, influenced. Again, I'm going to go for a present perfect. Has influenced because it's still occurring. Influence. It sounds like homeworking has stopped. Let's see. Influence is not wrong. Has influenced is better. So, in an especially positive way. Okay. Positive way. Yeah, you could. So, home office includes the fact that people do not have to reach their workplaces. Thereby, good word, fewer vehicles are in use. Includes the fact, means that people do not have to reach their workplaces. Have to reach their workplaces. Thereby, fewer vehicles are in use. Have to travel to their workplaces. I'm going to leave reach. Thereby, and I still like this thereby, fewer vehicles are in use. As a result of this, the quality of air shows marked improvement to the benefit of the health of people. As a result of this, air quality shows, I would say, has shown a marked improvement to the benefit of the health of people. Okay. Has shown a marked improvement to the benefit of people. Yes, it's not wrong again. Which has benefited people's health. Notice it's shorter and it says the same, which has benefited people's health. It is crucial to have a closer examination of how this new style of working influences the happiness of people. Okay, so you remember what we were doing the other day about subjunctives? It is crucial. This is asking for a subjunctive. It's crucial to have. It's not wrong. Okay, it is crucial that the way this new style of working, it is crucial that we should examine. Okay, it's crucial to have a closer examination. So, to have a closer examination, to examine more closely how this new style of working influences the happiness of people. I would probably again say people's happiness, but the happiness of people is okay. It is a matter of course, I like this phrase, that home office gives people the opportunity to find more times for themselves. Good sentence. We are able to economize on time because nothing wrong with because. as. I'm just trying to give you more ways, as we do not have to waste our precious time on reaching our workplace and on the way home. We are able to economize on time as we do not have to waste our precious time on reaching our workplace and on the way home. Hey, I like this next one. Good. Not only can we save time, good, an inversion, I love it, but we also can rid ourselves of the road rage that traffic provides. Don't like the verb provides. Of the road rage that traffic causes. Let's try. Gives rise to. If you do not have to rush with your work, it is possible to devote time to your family or to yourself instead of being bored to death in an office. I love this phrase, bored to death. Okay. So, if you do not have to rush with your work, it is possible to devote time to your family or yourself instead of being bored to death in an office. So notice here you're saying to rush, meaning to do your work quickly. I think what I'd probably, if you do not have to rush to work, I like the word rush as well, it's possible to devote time to your family or to yourself instead of being bored to death in an office. Good. To sum it up, okay, we can present numerous arguments for and against working from home. However, it is worth taking into account how people feel about this question. It is obvious that not everybody shares the same point of view. Two howevers. However, a great majority of people take pleasure in working from home. Okay, so two howevers. It is obvious that not everybody shares the same point of view, although a great majority of people take pleasure in working from home. The crux of the matter is to maintain the balance between our job and family. I love this last sentence. It's a really good closer. I love this phrase, the crux of the matter. Okay, so your essays are getting better and better. This is very definitely a C2 quality essay. There are very few mistakes. Most of my corrections are giving you ideas to change things. Try not to repeat things. Try to use different ways of doing things. I think they're probably too many positive. So, in an especially beneficial way. Yeah, it's just getting rid of another positive. Okay, I like the fact you've got an inversion. So I would have really liked you to have got in. It's crucial that we should we should more closely examine how this new style of working influences the happiness of people. There's nothing wrong with what you've written, but you could have included that as well. You've answered the question very nicely. There are very few mistakes. Wow, what am I going to say? What mark am I going to give you? This is definitely a C2 essay. I think I'm probably going to give this a 6.5 at C2, maybe 6.75. Good work. So thank you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. So, working from home office.